been a few hours, but it felt like days. Only been days, but it felt like months. Been gone for a year, only know like once. Life move fast when you do what you want.
Hey guys, so it is 10/22. It's April. Why am I saying April? It is in May 3rd. We're leaving tomorrow in the morning, like very early in the morning. So I would catch back up with y'all then. I have all my stuff packed in the Lulu bag right here. And I have my shoes and stuff right here. So I'm really just waiting on us to go because I'm really ready to go. Hair's already done. I didn't get my nails done. My lashes are done and my eyebrows are waxed. So I'm not really talking about nothing else. I'm about to go get in the shower and then pack all my toiletries so I can go to sleep because I wanted to stay up, but I don't know if I'm gonna make it. So we're going to work on that right now and then we'll see where the night takes us.
My new bitch look like Halle Berry, but she don't love me, she too scary. My old bitch front like Jackie Brown. I wanna know if she too down. Will you be my leading lady? I want a contract, girl, no maybe. In the meantime,
Stop going where I want.
it's some me time.
Hope you know what you want.
Crib by the beach like Odell. Over my killers don't tell. Shadow my mark of the New York the shelf. Now my bitches Chanel.
Public.
Will you be my leading lady? I want a contract, girl, no maybe.
We're in Publix getting snacks.
Anytime,
Stop going where I want.
it's some me time.
Stuff. Wait. Are we getting candy? How do we get these?
Yeah.
Great. I'm on a mission. Oh, it smells so good over here. We came in here for snacks and we got whole meals out of here. We got chicken, bread, and this, and we got a surfboard and some other stuff, and we got strawberry lemonade and lemonade.
Alright, no more bubbles.
Only been days, but it felt like months. Been gone for a year, only know like once. Life move fast when you do what you want.
In the meantime,
Just stop doing what I want.
it's some me time. In the meantime,
Just stop doing what I want.
it's some me time. Maybe I'll love myself.
I should have waited my 24 hours, but I did it. Trying to get to the sand. The homeless thieves. What? Thieves? Oh, that's cute. Ooh, it's cutesy. Oh, it's a little crypt. I got sand all on my face and stuff.
I'm gonna go and get the babe out the car.
Okay. Okay. The time is now 3:49 and we're heading back to the beach.
We come from the bottom together, my nigga, we get it, we spitting it up.
Oh, it's 5 something. The chairs and the umbrellas are closing, so we're going inside for tonight. We're not going inside. We're probably going to the pool or out to eat somewhere.
You bought that little piece? You bought that little piece?
What little piece?
That I bought for me. You bought it with you? Came the whole pack?
The USB part?
Yeah.
No. I have the other one though.
Jesus.
You didn't ask for it.
You're supposed to give it to them when you open it.
I have the other one. I have my thing.
You're recording right now.
We're going to dinner.
Hello.
Are we going to parking? Why is it in a car? Hello? Why does it look like that up in here?
Tell me what you say now. Tell me what you said. You said that you would come again. You said that we would remain friends, but you know that I do not depend on nothing or no one.
Y'all, they don't like my skirt. It's okay though. I'm not tripping about it. Never tripped. They didn't have nobody working, so we're not eating there because it's 30 minutes to an hour. So we're not eating there. We're about to find something else. And I really want Zaxby's because I never had it before, so hopefully we go to Zaxby's. We are at Shane's Rib Shack. I really want a Zaxby's. It's like down the street, but it doesn't really matter. This is how it look. It's pretty cool, I guess. We're about to go in there and see what they talking about. And if they're not, then I want to go to Wicked Wheel too. So we're gonna see what they're talking about and if it's actually good. So.
Your order only came with one side.
No, just
So why would you show up so uninvited? Then just change my mind like that. Please don't take this personal. You ain't shit. You weren't special till I made you so. You better act like you know that I've been through worse to you.
okay, guys. We're going back upstairs. Huh?
I just can't keep running away. But I don't need you. I don't need you. I don't need you. I don't need you. But I want you. I don't need you. I don't.
But it's been a very long day. The food at Shane's was actually not that bad. It was okay. Had a little mishap there, but it was okay. It was chill. I liked the food and everything, you know. Good family bonding time. And then I don't know, I guess we're just gonna chill. It's getting late. The pool closes in an hour and 20 minutes, so I really have to decide like now if I'm going to the pool or not. I don't think I updated y'all after we came back from the beach, but I had a good nap on the beach. That nap was twop. Like, it was really good. So, yeah, and there's no curfew at the beach. So now I can really go to the beach whenever I want. But it's getting late. You can't really see. So, I don't know what I'm gonna do. I think I'm gonna go to the pool, or I'm just gonna walk down there and see if I wanna take pictures anywhere and whatnot. And I just took some pictures by some bikes. Y'all might have seen that in the last clip. So yeah. There's a bike show this weekend. There was an air show. There was a lot going on this weekend, so I'm glad we came this weekend instead of the first weekend that we had picked. Yeah. Let me try it again. Wait.
See what I'm saying?
I'm gonna break it. Y'all, I'm too big for that. You can't even see on the beach. It's so dark.
Yeah, that's the only thing. Like, you can't get in that water.
While it's dark.
Child.
We're going to the pool. My mama convinced me to go to the pool because she started talking about the hot tub.
I feel like this weekend I'm gonna get stung by a gym.
Hot tub it is.
I feel like
Not your brother gonna pull you.
I can't even stand up in this water, so I know he can't stand up.
Yes, he can.
standing up.
How? Maybe I'm just scared of the water.
No, you just trying not to get your hair wet.
Why are you going so fast? Slow down. Slow down. You're gonna run into the people. Stop.
Slow down.
Yes, you are. Okay, go. They made a path for you. Hurry.
If you hit the side.
Everybody's like he's no item. Please don't like him. He don't wife him. He one item. I never listen, no. I should've figured though. All the shit you was spitting so unoriginal. But it was you, so I was with it. Then to tell you the truth, which we never.
It is 5:50. We're going downstairs to watch this. It's already light outside. We're just listening. We're supposed to leave like 20 minutes ago, but it's okay. So yeah, we'll be in the elevator. It's like so pretty.
On them private jets, taking trips. Come back at 6, wake me and your child. And then won't lay today. Make me wonder who you might have been playing with. Makes me wonder who you think you're playing with. I'm just on myself to keep playing this record back over and over again. Swear to change, but I noticed the end. I'm true on the scene. Think you know your girl's so funny to me. That's why you think I left by one time. Got tired of your shit, you almost your mind. Long say, call your name. You'll continue to try to play these games. Leave your family in the cold rain. And I don't think you'll ever change your ways. Cause our house is not our home with no one's there. So alone, no one's there. Should I move on since no one's here?
PCB is literally my homework from home. It's 17. We're going back upstairs. There go the towels. Good morning, guys. Right now I'm on the balcony. The beach is behind me. It's so pretty. I think we're about to head home. I'm ready to go home, kinda, sorta. Like, it's really chill here, but I really am ready to go home. We just ate breakfast. It was really good. The breakfast here was okay. I think I'm gonna go to Starbucks, get a drink before we leave, and then yeah, I think we're about to leave. It's Cinco de Mayo, and I really want to get Mexican food, so I hope that's what we're doing later. But if not, I'll be okay. It's not the end of the world.
What you got is good, that's why
It is going up. You have to. Okay guys, so we're going to the hot tub and to Starbucks. I'm about to get some editing done. I'm really just I'm gonna transfer the clips to my MacBook and then I'm gonna start like piecing the clips together and seeing where I'm gonna place everything. Right here. Good morning guys. The time is now 9:10. I am sleeping and setting up the rest of my YouTube stuff. We really don't have much to do. We're just chilling at the pool. We're supposed to leave at 9:15, but I think I'm gonna wait until 9:30 to go back upstairs because we've already packed and everything. We don't have to check out until 11, so we're probably just gonna stay and chill by the pool. Okay guys, so we're going back upstairs. It's like 9:30-ish. It's 10:37. I might trip out my fence so you can't follow me. I'm just playing, y'all. We stopped in Alabama.